frente vai você e mais um parceiro. Em qualquer lugar se vende. Nas comunidades tem vários pontos de vendas, você entende? Fim de semana tem que aguardar. De movimentação de gente querendo comprar, pra distrair e liberar os pensamentos, viajar nas ideias e fluir os sentimentos. Chegou a sua vez de comprar, muita ansiedade pra pagar, pegar e viajar, sem pensar no depois. O veneno tá na mão, você abre de vídeo pra 2, 3. Sua fala amolece, de algo se esquece, se livra do estresse. Satisfação momentânea terá, quando a onda passar o problema vai voltar. Só que pra você o presente é importante, sentado com os amigos sem caô ao menos um instante, levando o prazer até a boca, alterando sua visão, sua cabeça fica louca. Se sentindo na paz, acabou comprar mais, uma não satisfaz. Curte o momento, sem pensar no tempo, faz o movimento, raciocínio, talento. Tá com fome, come um salgado, já foram mais de 4, tá meio chapado, meio zoado, meio sorridente, meio culpado, meio inocente. Será que mais uma dose vai lhe fazer mal? Se todo mundo usa de uma forma muito natural, você vai e bota mais uma na roda, todo mundo gosta de atitude foda. Da parada é freguês, ignora as leis. Qualquer dia do mês, em qualquer lugar, na frente do bar, em casa, na rua, na beira do mar. Na hora de comemorar, pode tá faltando tudo, ela não pode faltar. Está presente no melhor e no pior, quando tá rodeado e quando...
Rolling and I'm bowling and whatever I'm doing, cause I know I do it raw. You get it like my paper in the back. You really wanna take them back to back. You really wanna pull out your Glock, your gat, and pull bullets out your Mac. Yo, I don't understand why you people try to bring violence to the table all the time. You don't realize that what you need is a little bit of Jesus Christ, little bit of spiritual life, little bit of mostly alright. Yeah, maybe you got it, now you lost it. What's wrong with you? You just lost your mind, lost your brain, and lost your way. But I am coming back for one more time and one more day. DOTG days on the grind. Johnny B, always me. J-O-N-N-Y to the B-double-E. That would be me with a little bit of ecstasy and a glass of whiskey with a couple of rocks inside. I dump that shit out, man, cause I have no need to get high.
Oh, that's a sweet, sweet sex, you know. No. So what? Yeah.
Why's my phone on? Who did this? Freaking kill you! Who did this? Ugh.
Ask them where them a go search for. Ever since the earth slow down, police and road boy them in a showdown. Them a search round the compound. You'd know a man and a weed clown. Find a little piece of land and applaud me home ground. So tell the youth them not fit set pill. Too much crack and cocaine I make the world a feel ill, you know. Enough ganja, enough spliff a bill. Only thing where you make man feel still. When me say finally the herbs come around. The high grade when me a look for, me get it by the pound, yeah. When Calibut come around, a pure ganja man tune, just a lick from the sound, yeah. Finally the herbs come around. The high grade when man a look for, me stock it by the pound, yeah. When Babylon a come around, ask them where them a go search for. There's nothing like this sweet, sweet sensei. The first time me take a job was in the
little lad. And what do you do, young man? What is your name? Oh, really? You play soccer too? I used to do what I wanna do. I never thought it would be you. I never thought to choose. I never thought to try and make another rap with you. Cause you was never taking me into consideration lately. So I just wanna let you know that maybe, baby, I can be another motherfucker who can fly. Cause I know that I'm okay and I know that I can drive. I know I'm dope and I'm super gone broke. And you wanna tell me something different you don't know. Guess what? Intellectual messed up. Looking at me so fly cause my it hold what? I'm like, oh shit, is that the Hova? Is that Mr. Jay-Z with Kanye? What? That was me back in the day, being no surprised and angry at the same time. For mind state that I can run into, people can see, cause they were though, cause I can flow just for a little longer, and you do not know who me be. My name is Johnny B. I'm from DOTG. Days on the grind, yes indeed. Go watch my YouTube channel, please. I won't ask you to like and subscribe every time. You can do that on your own if you really do vibe with me, cause I can do it on my own. I can do it as I do, cause I do every day. Grow, just like a weed plant. Okay, son, I'm about to stop right now and blaze one. Yes, and blaze one. Go to Blazing Jays this weekend at 0.7 APR financing. You can get yourself a brand new bomb with no credit, little or bad credit. You can go today at the local Blazing Jays near you.